10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. 4 right into 3 left, over gravel into 3 left. And 2 right narrows and 2 left. Over gravel. And a 3 right into short 4 left. 3 right to short 4 left. 150 out of that. You have a crest and a 1 left into 1 right. Watch the kink 100. And then a caution late 3 left. Late 3 left and 1 left 100. 1 left 100. A fast 3 right. Fast 3 right 170 over bumps. You have a long 2 left continues for 60. Tightens to a 3 left over bump at the wall. 40 uphill over bumps. And a 3 right. 3 right here into crest and a tight 3 right don't cut. 80. And a 1 left 40. And you have a crest into 1 left 80. And a clear crest into 3 left narrows. 3 left down here narrows into very long 2 right nips. Very long 2 right nips 60. And a late 3 right 100. Late 3 right 100. And a 4 left, watch this through the farm. And a 2 right 60 uphill. 2 right 60 uphill and a slow 2 right over crest into chicane. Right entry into 5 right. 200 down then. 200 down. You have a crest only 80. Chicane right entry. 3 bales. And a crest 40 and a hairpin left. Bale on the inside. Hairpin left, bale on the inside into 2 right. Into crest and 2 right again. 2 right crest and 2 right over crest. Only 40 downhill to a 5 left. Opens to a 2, 40 and go out this. Flat 2 left 80. You have a flat 2 right. Flat left, flat 2 right. 1 left and 2 right 80 and a 4 right. 4 right down here at the bottom. Into crest and a flat 3 left. Crest and a flat 3 left. And a crest and brake only 60, turn square right. Only 60 square right, don't cut this. And 2 right 60 downhill. 2 right 60 downhill and a square left. Watch your brake and bail on the inside. 60 and a square right, don't cut it. Square right 80. Don't cut this. And a fast 3 left in over bump and gravel. 3 left in, bump and gravel 40 and a 3 left carry go for 170. 3 left carry go 170. Short 4 left up here 40. Short 4 left 40 and a late 5 right comes quick, don't cut it. 5 right comes quick, don't cut it 40 and a 1 left only 60 to a square left. 1 left only 60, square left 60. You have a fast 3 right, don't cut it. Fast 3 right, don't cut, and a long flat crest 100. And you have a clear crest, watch it down here. Crest into 3 left over gravel and 2 left. 3 left, 2 left, into slow 2 left into chicane. 2 left and 2 left into chicane. Right entry, 3 bales. 3 right, 100. Fast 3 right down here over gravel and 2 right over gravel 40. 2 right 40, come back for a caution, 1 left into slow crest, into square right. 100 downhill, and you have a care 3 left, 2 right kink. 3 left, 2 right kink, only 60 over gravel to a very short 4 left. 4 left, and 2 left and 4 right kink. 100 out of that to a square left. Square left, don't cut 40. You have a crest, only 80, and a 5 right. Only 85 right of the wall, don't cut it, 100. 100 to turn square right. Gravel. Square right, gravel. 300 over. Go on your best then. You have a chicane, right entry, 4 bales. And a flat 3 right in, 100. Flat 3 right in, 100. And a fast 3 right in and a flat 2 left in 60. And a 1 left 80 and a 1 left past the farm 80. And a 1 right up here 170 down the middle. And you have a 3 left, 2 right kink, take line and carry 150. The crest 100, chicane right entry, 3 bales, 60 out of that. 60 out of that and turn square left. Square left and a flat crest and flat crest. Flat crest and flat crest 100. And you have a 1 left over crest, only 80 chicane, right entry, 3 bales. And a 4 left. 4 left and push now to the 5 right, or the 4 right. 80 and a flat 2 left, 60. And a long 1 right, 40 to a very fast 4 right. Very fast 4 right and a flat crest. Flat crest 100. And a flat 2 right in and a 1 left, 170 to chicane. Right entry, 4 bales. And go again. 2 left, 100. 2 left, 100 and a flat crest, 150. And turns square right. Go again out of that. Square right, 80. And a flat 2 right. Flat 2 right, 80. And a 1 left over dip, 80. 1 left, 80. And a flat 1 right. And a flat crest. And flat crest 40 and a fast 3 right. Fast 3 right up here and a 2 left, 2 right kink. Take a line and carry. And a slow crest, only 40 chicane. Well done, Ted. 4 bales and a flat crest 200. Flat crest 200. You have a 1 left, 170 chicane, right entry, 4 bales. Very long 2 left nips. It does nip. Out and in.
Oh, you bastard.
Out and in. 80 and a flat 1 left. Over finish and a flat crest 250. Well done. Well done, Ted. I think that's a lot better. We done that in 7:01 the last time, yeah?
Yeah.